All right, let's get right into it. We're going to break down a dance move that looks super complicated, but trust me, it's something anyone can learn. So you're going to want to forget everything you think you know about twerking, because we're about to show you how it really works.
So, when you see someone twerking, what's the first thing that comes to mind? You probably think it's all in the hips, right? I mean, it looks like it's all about that hip and glute action, but what if I told you that's the single biggest myth about this entire move? And boom, there it is. This is the secret sauce right here. The real magic of twerking has almost nothing to do with your hips. It's all about a forward and backward tilt. And that movement comes from your lower back. Your knees, they're basically just the suspension, the shock absorbers. Once you get that, I promise, the rest just falls into place. Okay, so first things first. Like with any dance move, or really anything, it all starts with a solid foundation. You can't get the move right if you don't get the stance right. So let's build that from the ground up. This is what we call the power position. You want your feet about shoulder width apart. That gives you a nice, stable base. Then you're gonna bend your knees like you're going into a squat. This lowers your center of gravity and gets the right muscles ready to work. And the most important part, you have to keep your upper body totally still and upright. That's the key to isolation, and we're gonna talk about that in just a second.
Now, before we go any further, we gotta clear something up, because a lot of people get this mixed up. There's a huge difference between a simple booty pop and an actual twerk. And you know what? You have to master the pop before you can even think about the twerk. Think of it like this. A pop is just one single sharp movement. It's one beat. A twerk, on the other hand, is just doing that pop over and over again, really fast. It's a continuous motion. So get the pop down first, and the twerk will naturally come next. So, you ever wonder how dancers make this look so clean and effortless? Well, the magic behind it all comes down to one little technique. It's called isolation. And let me tell you, this is what separates a beginner's attempt from a really sharp, impressive move. The goal here is pretty simple, actually. Your shoulders, your chest, your head, none of that should move at all. All the action is happening from your waist down. You can even imagine that from the waist up, you're stuck in a block of ice. It's that separation that creates the awesome controlled effect. You ready for a little inside scoop? We're about to go over a training drill that pro dancers actually use to teach this stuff. This isn't just some random exercise. It is hands down the fastest way to build the right muscle memory.
Okay, welcome to your power moment. We're calling this the wall practice trick. And I know, it sounds almost too simple, but this technique is amazing because it basically forces your body into the right position. It takes all the guesswork out of it for you. So here's what you do. Go stand facing a wall, maybe about arm's length away. Now put both of your hands flat against it. This is for support. Get back into that squat stance we talked about. See? The wall makes it impossible for your upper body to move forward, so you're forced to use your lower back to get that pop. Just practice those single, slow pops right there. And why does this work so well? It's because the wall handles your balance and your posture for you. That means you can put all of your focus on just that one movement, that pelvic tilt. Seriously, it's the smartest, safest way to get that muscle memory locked in. And just like that, you've got the whole toolkit. Remember the keys. The power is from your lower back, not your hips. Your foundation is that perfect squat stance. And your secret weapon for practice is the wall drill. You now have everything you need to know. So really, there's only one question left. You ready to try your first pop?